Now open page number 65. Answer the questions. These are the questions of the storm in the garden. Who was Sunu Sunu? So Sunu Sunu was a snail. Second question is, who was Sunu Sunu visiting? Sunu Sunu was visiting to his friends. Third question is, where were the ants hiding? So answer is, the ants were hiding under the flower pot. There is fourth question. Did Sunu Sunu get wet? Did Sunu Sunu get wet? No. Sunu Sunu did not get wet. I will give these question answers afterwards. And now we will see the next point. Let's talk. Do you go for morning walks? Do you go for morning walks in the morning? Do you go for jogging? Do you do exercise? If yes, then discuss. Tell it to your friends. Next question is, have you ever seen ants in the garden? Have you seen ants in the garden? Yes. Many times we see, and in our home also we see the ants. Watch and see where they go and what they carry to their holes. In the garden or in your house, if sometimes you see the ants, have you seen the ants? They are making line and they are carrying something and they are going to their holes. So here is said that watch them and see where they go. Next point is teen time. Do you know why you see snails and earthworms after it rains? Sit in a group and discuss. After raining, snails come, earthworms come. They are living in the soil, and when rain comes, they come on the ground. So why do they come? After rain only, why do we can see them? Discuss it with your parents. And here is answer. You can turn your book and you can read this answer. Now see the page number 66. Let's write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box. These are the prepositions. These are the prepositions. The words which are telling the exact position, they are called prepositions. So these are the prepositions, and these words which are given in the box, we are going to fill here. So now we will see it. The cat is jumping that the wall. Is it in the wall, on the wall, under the wall, behind the wall, or over the wall? What word will come here? So the cat is jumping over the wall. The cat is jumping over the wall. So here will come the word over. Next, the cat is in the box. Which preposition will come here? In. The cat is in the box. Next, the cat is that's the door. The cat is behind the door. The cat is behind the door. The cat is under. Have you seen that ants were hiding under the flower pot like this? This cat is under the stool. Under the stool. Next, the cat is on the suitcase. The cat is on the suitcase. Complete this page and now turn the next page, page number 67. Let's sing. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, each fine day. Read this poem afterwards. Once again. Now see the next point. Page number 68. I hope that you are completing these pages. Here is cursive writing practice. You do it yourself. Press it.